whenever you're ready.
Hi, my name is Judy, and this is my little baby Penny. It's a funny story about little Penny. She came out from underneath my work van, and she's got these little Maybelline eyes that, and looked at me real sad. Followed me into my house, and she made herself at home. She chose me. I didn't really want to have a dog, and she came into my life unexpectedly. This is when all the times was bad, the construction was down, people were throwing dogs away. And I encountered Dr. Randall through a friend. Highly recommended him, and I didn't know anything about animals. I wanted a good vet to introduce Penny to. Come to find out, it wasn't as simple. She had heartworms, and Dr. Randall took X-rays and looked at her and saw how bad she was, and says, "Might make it, might not make it," and that scared me, because once being in my home, and she's got a great personality. I had no choice. It was either take her to the Humane Society, and I know what happens there if they're not adopted in 5 days or so. They get put down, and I didn't want that for this dog. I asked my landlady, "Can I keep her?" And she said, "Yeah, Judy, you can have her." So I took her in, and she's been the best thing in my life. And if it wasn't for Dr. Randall, he's the one that did it for me with his compassion. I wasn't good on I wasn't making much money at the time, but he made it affordable for me, and that's where I'm at. It's thanks to him. Penny, Penny baby, smooch me. Do you want to smooch me?